A life hack that I would love to share with women or women in business. I think that we must learn to say no. Opportunities come through over and over, and sometimes we want to take in and we can't hold on all the opportunities that are coming our way. So it's okay to say no you can say no even when you're feeling bad. So it's a matter of saying no and knowing when it is right to say yes. I am Lesego Mpshe. I am from the Vaal, a founder and a creative at LeRaw Home and Craft, the manufacturing company where we manufacture bedding, skater cushions, curtains, as well as craft, where we do pouches, bags, and toiletry bags, just to mention a few. We are getting ourselves into being into the luxury field, where our products will be more refined, more softer, more luxurious, and we want to get ourselves broadening our horizons into being one of the largest manufacturing companies within the southern region. Why not even in Africa? I'm also a founder at LeRaw Academy, which is an educational institute where we provide creative sewing skills that commences every Saturday. And we are proud to say that we have reached over 15 women or even 20 in sewing skills, and some have started their own businesses while others are doing it as a hobby.